Hello to everyone. I welcome you all for our new YouTube channel, especially for English. We all know the importance of English because if we want to get success in our career, English is most important. It is most needed one. That's why we have to improve our language skill of English. Before I start this channel, I discussed about this with our friends. All our friends expressed their gratitude to me. Many of our friends suggested me about they need this class is in Tamil. That means they need explanations should be in Tamil. It will be easy for them. Because they have already practiced in Tamil, if they are ready to learn English through Tamil, it will be easy for them to speak it better. But some of our friends suggested me about if it is through complete English, we can deliver a complete quality. Absolutely, yes. We have chosen the second one. We are going to conduct classes only in English. This class will be in English. There is no doubt about it. Why we have chosen? I will explain everything to you. We all know English. There is no doubt. Just we should improve it. How we can improve it? How I said we all know English. If somebody is communicating with us, we can understand what he is speaking with us. What he is ready to communicate with us. We can understand everything. But where we are lacking, we are not in the position to reply immediately. We are not responding his communication. Why we are doing it? Because we haven't practiced properly. How we are all speaking Tamil perfectly? Because we practiced. Because of practicing, the language will be improved. So, if you want to improve in your language, you should practice it daily and regularly. That's why we have chosen our English classes should be taught only in English. It will be really useful for the students, those who are all coming from Tamil medium. Absolutely yes, they can understand this. Because themselves also, they already know English. Just they want to improve it. It will be benefited for them to go for college studies, to write their examinations in English. At the same time, it will be useful for the office goers, employees who are all working in offices, those who are all expecting promotions in their offices. We have chosen this English class only in English because we all know English, we just want to improve it. How the porters are speaking English in railway stations, despite they are illiterates? Yes, because they practiced very well. Like this, we are also going to practice it. And also, we understand the importance of English by the way of our speaking style. The other persons will understand whether we literate or illiterate. This social status is given by English. If a person knows English very well, immediately they will judge he is highly literated one. If a person not responding in English, immediately they will judge he may be illiterate. That's why our circumstances forced us to speak it in English. Despite I am a commerce teacher, why I have given importance to teach English? Before that, I was working in English medium schools. I saw our students when they go for colleges, casually they did their studies, they passed in all examinations, they never complained about the language problem. But when I see the Tamil medium students, they go to colleges, they frequently complaining about they are struggling because of English. English is biggest obstacles for them to learn quickly and to learn everything. Before that, till 12th standard, they have practiced only in Tamil. They wrote examinations in Tamil. they did everything in Tamil. But after, whenever they want to go for higher studies, everything is in English. So, they are forced to learn English. They are forced to write it in English. They are forced to speak it in English. At that time only they understand the importance of English. In what are all the ways we are going to conduct our classes? We are making more practices for you. And we are trying to bring your confidence. First, if you want to speak it in English, start to speak it immediately. There is no need somebody should give confidence to you. Start it immediately. First, avoid shyness. There is no need of feeling of shyness. There is no need of thinking about what other person will think about us. Other persons are not having the time to think about us. They are busy with their own schedules. There is no need about, there is no worry about what other persons will think about us. Start to speak it in English. Avoid shyness. My second point is start to read newspapers. Already we are all having the attitude of reading newspapers regularly. We are all having the habit of reading newspapers in Tamil. In what are all the departments we are doing depth reading. Like this, I am emphasizing you, I am requesting you, start to read English newspaper. How you are doing it in Tamil newspaper? In what are all the departments you are having more interest? For example, if you have more interest about politics, start to read about politics, start to do in-depth reading in politics. If you are having more interest in sports, start to read about sports. If you are having more interest only in cinema, no need to worry, start to read about cinema, start to read about your favorite stars. You should do only one important matter, you should read it in English. Just we are going to improve our English in the form of we are reading, we are listening, everything in English. Why I have chosen this type of course? Why I have chosen our classes will be taught only in English. Regularly we are all having the habit of thinking it in Tamil and translating it in English, then delivering it in English. It will take more time. First, we are going to change the attitude of thinking it in Tamil. What we should do here? We should start to think it in English. If we start to think it in English, there is no need of translation here. Immediately we can deliver it. So think it in English and start to deliver immediately. That's why I said you start to speak it immediately. Avoid shyness, start to read newspapers. Friends, how many of you have understood the difference between hearing and listening? What is hearing? What are all the noises which is making it outside? You are hearing it, that is called hearing. Birds are making noises. The two persons are fighting between them. The vegetable seller who is selling vegetables in outside, these are all the matters are happening in outside, we are hearing everything. But what is listening? For what are all the things you are giving more attention, it is called listening. I say to you, do the job of listen. Listen the persons who are all speaking in English. Listen your news. Start to listen your news. The same like newspapers reading, we are all having the attitude of listening news in Tamil. Like this, we are going to listen your news in English. When we listen your news in English, we can understand new words, we can understand how the words are being pronounced, we can understand how the words are using to form a sentence, we can understand the emotions, which is being made by the news reader. So listening is most important to improve our English. After that, start to read loudly to improve our pronunciation. How to start to read loudly? Once again, we should not see, we should not feel what other persons will think about this. Start to read loudly and record it. We can easily understand how we are speaking. By the way of making mistakes, then only we can do it perfect. Mistakes are most important to do the perfection. So start to do mistakes. Start to do speak wrongly. It's not a problem. One day it will be corrected. One day you will speak better English. For that you should do these are all the methods. After that you should start to write something in English. Whatever you need, whatever you like, start to write it in English. So these are all the primary methods. These are all the basic methods will improve you to speak in English and improve our basic level of English. I am going to conclude this. First I said you to listen everything. Then I said you to speak. Yes, listen everything and speak it in English. Then you should read it in English and write it in English. L, S or W, just you should remind it. This type of formula, this type of format definitely will improve your English. What we are going to do in our classes? We are going to conduct classes. We are making how we can practice in English in better way. We are going to give less importance for grammar. Definitely grammar is needed, there is no doubt about it. Grammar will be taught depending upon where it is needed. That means we are going to give more importance for practicing it English.